What up guys, my name is Stanley Steen from Team Deberoo, and in today's video we are going to search for a lander that we can use for our own campaign, and then we are going to rip it and upload it to the Deberoo Suite to make some small adjustments. So let's dive in. Alright, so right now I'm at the homepage of Deberoo, and as you can see, you can still join the beta for free. Simply click on this button right here, fill in your details, and then you've entered the waitlist. And as soon as possible, you will get an invitation email with your login details, which can bring you to the inside of the Deberoo Suite. So very exciting. I'll make sure to post this link below in the descriptions as well, so that you can go directly to the form. So today we are going to look for a landing page, download a landing page, and then take it to the Deberoo Suite so that we can make some small adjustment in the landing page builder. So I am going to use Anstrax, and we are going to do some spying, and we are going to find ourselves a beautiful lander to use. So allow me to log in. If you don't have an account with Anstrax yet, you can check in the link below to get your account going. Now, what kind of offer are we going to promote? So I believe that a lot of people are having success on native with the Nutra kind of vertical, the diet, weight loss, that kind of thing. So let's take a look. I want the language to be English. I'm going to sort on that just to sort my results, to filter my results a little bit further. And let's see, what do we have? What do we have? Leave doctor speechless, trial, Nutra. Let's see, everyone in Syracuse are loving these supplements. Top fat, do this to grow. It's a lot of pet-based. A lot of pet-based, and a lot of dogs eating grass and stuff like that, which I don't want to focus on right now. So let's get another search in. So I'm going to delete my old search and then put in a new search. Weight loss. We should get some better results on this one. Chrissy Metz shows off her massive weight loss. Perfect. Let's check out the landing page. Celebs and their awesome transformations. Celine Dion lost an undisclosed amount of weight. Begin slideshow. Okay. That's decent. And I think if you click on begin slideshow, you will get redirected to the offer, I assume. So let's download this page and see if we can make some changes and make it more interesting for specifically our campaign. Oh, it should be under downloads, right? So let's get out of here, please. Thank you. All right, where do I find those again? Let's see. It should be somewhere. Webpage downloader. Daily choices, that should be the one. So it's still downloading, so we need a little bit of patience. But usually Anstrax is pretty fast when it comes to downloading landing pages. So right now it says downloading, and in a minute it will say zip and download, and that's the button you want to hit to download the zip file of the landing page that you want to rip. And then from there we can upload it to the Deberoo Suite. So in the meantime, while that's loading up, let's sign in to the Deberoo Suite. Once again, if you don't have an account yet, make sure to fill in the beta form to join the waitlist and get your invitation. All right, so we're at the dashboard, and as you can see, more and more features are coming live very soon. As you can see, the top 5 forums, there are just a couple of test posts, but it means that we are working on it and we're very close to integrating the community. So very awesome stuff. Let's go to the landing page builder. Let's see. Okay, so it's finished downloading. So now I can click on zip and download. And once I do, you will notice this zip file down here being downloaded, I should say. So this is the inside of the landing page builder of the Deberoo Suite. As you can see, I'm on the page My Landing Pages. And right here, it has a button that says Upload Zip. So I'm going to press on that. I'm going to give my landing page a name. So Celebs Weight Loss, and choose file. I can just drag this in from the bar down below and press save. And now it should open up in the editor of the landing page builder. It's loading up. This shouldn't take long. And as soon as it's loaded, we can start making changes. And that's the best part. What I like most about ripping landing pages is I am not looking for a landing page to copy and paste to my own campaign. I'm looking for a strong basis for a landing page. And as soon as I find that strong basis of a landing page where I like the way it's set up, I like the angle that they take, then I want to download it. I want to import it into the the landing page builder of the Deberoo Suite, and there I can adjust it to make it perfect for my campaign. So I'm not simply going to copy paste it to my own campaign, because then I'm running somebody else's campaign basically. I want to download it, change it, make it perfect for my campaign with the layout of the ripped lander, and then I want to shoot it live into my own campaign. So I'm still using my own custom-made landing pages to ensure that the whole flow is very coherent, which I cannot assure if I just simply rip a landing page, especially if you're running in a country with a foreign language, with a language that's not your native tongue. Then you don't want to simply rip a landing page and shoot it live on your own campaign, because you have no clue what the landing page says. So therefore, you have no way to ensure that the flow is coherent of your complete path from first impression to the offer page. You have no idea if the flow is coherent. So in that case, if you want to run in a country that has a different language than your native tongue, I would personally say either use a landing page provided by your ad exchange, which usually I don't like to do as much as building my own, or preferably write your own text in your native tongue, get it translated by a good translator, by, for example, 1 Hour Translations, and then from there paste it in your landing page so that you can keep that coherency in your flow. All right, this seems to be taking a sweet ass time. I accept that. Let's go back to the landing page builder and try this again. So yeah, the name is still right. And that's a file. Let's try this again and see if we have more luck this time through. Alright, so it turns out that the lander that I downloaded has some issues, so it won't upload. So what I did is I downloaded a new lander, and I will show you guys what it looks like. It is... Whoops, did I lose it? It's this one, right? Yep, this is the one. So why weight loss is a popular trend among celebrities. So kind of the same angle, right? So I downloaded this lander, and right now I'm going to press upload zip in the landing page builder, and I'm going to give it a name. So celeb weight loss, we'll just give it the same name. And I am going to choose the file, which is this one right here. Open that, save that. And now it should work, and it should open up the lander that we've just downloaded to make some adjustments in it. There we go. Awesome. So as you can see right now, it's just the same lander integrated in the landing page builder of the Deberoo Suite, but the landing page builder already recognizes everything as boxes, which makes it very easy for me to make adjustments. So I've got this huge part of advertisements, but they're all blank, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on it, delete it, click on it, delete it, click on it. That one doesn't work. Okay, we'll leave that one in for now, but we can get that done. That was not supposed to still be linked. Yeah, okay, so we have to do it again. That's no worries. So basically, the landing page builder notices everything that is a box, that is a frame, just so that I can basically adjust everything. I cannot delete these iframes, but we'll get to that in a second. And then there it starts the text. Trying to keep up a tight body all year long is a struggle for everybody, celebrities included. In fact, it can be a lot more stressful on well-known people, since they're constantly in the public's eyes and are being silently criticized for their appearance. However, there are several reasons why celebrities shed or add poundage to their fab bodies, which you'll see from our list. Prepare for a shock of a lifetime when you see number 13's body transformation. Very awesome text. I like that last sentence, number 13's. And then when you press next, it should redirect to the offer. At least that's what we are going to set it up for. We can also change these kind of thumbnails, so we can decide what kind of image should be there and what kind of text we want to be there. So I'm going to leave it as is right now. That's fine. And then what I want to do is create a destination URL. So let me use this one for now. Change the links, and now all links are updated, meaning that everything that's clickable should redirect me to the link that I've just put in. So that's going to be it for this one. I will catch you next time. Peace out.